so I don't have too much editing to do. This is my second time recording this because I realized on the previous footage I'm blind that one of my shoulder was actually much longer than the other one and it looked really weird. So I had to start over, but it's okay. I'm happy because now I'm more symmetrical. I'm ugly, but I don't want to be asymmetrical, right? Anyway, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. A very special thank you if you decide to join my YouTube family and click the fat red button down below. Today I'm turning into an alien for Halloween. This makeup is part of my 31 days of Halloween challenge, so that's a train, sorry. Anyway, what was I saying? Well, make sure you come back tomorrow for another makeup. You can also check out the ones that I did yesterday and the day before and the day before and since October 1st. Because I don't know what day it is today, I'm recording this in August. Anyway, without further ado, I'm letting you watch this alien transformation tutorial and I'll see you at the end. crazy alien transformation. I sure had a lot of fun. I don't even know who I am anymore. Kind of cute. Creepy. Cute. Scary. Weird. I love makeup so much. I will see you tomorrow with another Halloween makeup, so if you want to know what it is, come back tomorrow and check out my Instagram because I will post the photo before I release the video. Take care and see you tomorrow. I have to go back to my normal stuff now, guys, sadly. Bye. No, this is not how aliens talk. They probably don't even speak English, right? No, that is the... No. Okay, bye.